That being said, the cast they do does much less damage than them actually meleeing you, so don't interrupt them either.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Baldrus. Operator, not engineer.
I know, it switches. I target the operator and for some reason it switches.
Bullshit.
That operator got destroyed.
Obliterated.
Okay, bomb bag. Bomb bag.
Bomb back harder.
Bomb bag on our side.
Sure. Bomb bag on our side.
I got
Y'all-
everyone
y'all
hit
need
me
to
as I
stop
was trying
hugging.
to not. Yeah, I was trying to stay clear.
No hugs. This is not
Well-
a huggy fight.
I always
No,
wait for
don't.
them to finish, but they came to me and blew me up.
I know. They gave
Thanks.
you hugs, even though you didn't want them. Been there.
You have quite a bit of time. Don't you love Dragon Roar?
I just want to go over there and heal Minecraft.
Right?
Oh, Seb, you're on my side.
That shit has been for a while.
That's why I was talking about y'all hugging.
Black square.
Ev, I need a bubble.
I'm gonna bubble you. Oh, you're not here.
It. Save Twiz? He'll be fine.
I'll be fine. I'll just need to
Okay,
quit
bomb
hugging.
bag again on our side. Oh, ours is down.
Oh god.
Never
Sounds like a
mind.
bad idea.
Oh.
Oh, you ran through the middle?
We got done early, so I stampeding roared.
I love it. I love it. I want that to happen
There's
all
no
the
reason
time.
not to. Like,
Yep.
we weren't gonna get ads, and if we did, we were
Sky's
gonna wipe.
blocked.
So,
Goddamn shield, go away.
And bombs. And kill.
Why am I killing that guy?
No.
because you're wrong.
Oh, I just blew up somebody, my bad.
It was just me. It's fine.
Okay. You just came around the corner, you're all tiny. Yeah.
Well, thanks. I was totally standing still. Hanging out in this elevator, watching it go down. That's cool. Whatever. Oh, yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, buddy. Dun, 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 dun.
Rupture. What the fuck's rupture?
Run away, run.
Rupture's get out.
Oh,
wait.
fuck. Bad position. Okay.
That was-
I've never had
That's
that before.
That's okay.
That's actually the worst position you could have for it. No,
quite.
it's been
It's-
worse.
It could be worse.
It could be worse, yeah. I could get to the guy, so.
We've had it right on top of the elementals before.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh my god.
There's some hope for this one. Destruction.
Hey.
It's destruction.
We ended up killing the only one we had. This one spawned after everything was dead.
Here we go.
Everybody get ready to swap.
No, you call
Swap.
Your boss. Boss.
it. You know, just
I want to be
overrule it.
boss, but there's a Joel.
Just
you
overrule
gotta
it.
pre-call it.
Just talk
I think
over him.
event delay is like 25 minutes.
No, seriously, true. Call it early.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not an issue. One or two people can finish it off and call it early.
Yeah.
And people take like 50 seconds to react to.
Just worry about fire calls. Don't worry about mine.
I love your times.
I like start saying a number, I'm like, how do I change this to make it longer?
Yeah.
In
They're
hearing
very
range with me,
specifically.
please.
Alright, I'm coming. I'm here.
Okay.
Okay, let's get this slag
Drag
over.
that slag elemental. It's on Bella to the primal.
Get over here. No, not over there.
To the primal.
No!
Over here.
Don't worry about me.
Just watching this. It's just
Repeating primal is not gonna help her.
Closer, closer, closer.
Don't kill it.
No, it's
Too
gonna
late.
make it. It's gonna make it.
It wasn't
gotta
close
tell her-
enough.
No,
The
it's
thing
not.
with the shield over it.
Okay, the one that's on the right.
No!
Come over
It
here.
was
You can't-
like
Come on.
right
can't
outside
depend
of
on
everybody
Twitch.
or
Okay, there.
something important.
I had to enter.
Heal it.
Okay, here we go. Get ready
The
to
thing is, you
switch.
can't- Just call it shield guy.
That's a good call.
Okay, let's go.
I like that.
Yeah.
DPS
Let's
pots.
go.
Wow, I'm a lot lower health than I thought it was. It's not
Please
good.
don't die.
I'll be alright.
Seth,
I'm using
level
my health
yourself.
I did.
We should make it.
Oh, did we really
Somebody
last?
lasted.
Why?
And it's really
That's
obvious
good.
who.
Damn it,
Oh.
dragon.
Why?
Because
Okay,
dragon
keep
is
going.
dragon, yo.
Everybody gonna die.
I said,
Because he's dragging us down.
Clear some more.
oh lord,
That's
help us.
right.
Oh god,
Hey, Kill,
leg.
take it to the tanks. Okay.
Oh, ball sacks.
Oh,
I'll take it to the tanks.
Everybody rotate to the other side, please.
Okay.
All range to be on the other side of the ball of me.
You know, I'm really trying to, but I got like volatile fire. I think you'd appreciate me not dragging it across you.
Oh shit.
I
I'm gonna
honestly
die.
don't give a fuck about my health. I
Slag
can roll a
elementals
cooldown.
going down.
Yeah.
Wait, what's happening? I can't even tell what's happening.
Everybody's just not giving a fuck.
What?
That's all.
Especially dragon, apparently.
Okay.
Oh, you said oh, swap.
Apparently there was a thing.
Yes, we do.
I didn't see it either.
Afterwards.
I couldn't see shit. I was all up in that volatile fire all day.
Well, I mean, when you've got a bunch of Taurens in there.
There's two. There's two turrets.
Hey, when you're a little blood elf, it's hard to see anything.
It's called B-gammon.
Line of sight? Where's my line of sight
I
issue?
got it, wow.
Okay, we got it down.
Oh,
Clean up
that's-
some ads.
Clean up some
I'm
mess.
fine, just worry about fire callers.
There's lots of
Clean up
slags.
these 2 fire callers and then we'll get on to the 4th.
No cauterizing wounds, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. Okay.
Okay,
Let's do it.
I have a dude on me somewhere.
bring the
Yeah.
slag elemental. There's one really low.
Right there. Coming to me. Zombie. Kill it.
Perfect.
Okay.
One
Get
of
out.
Elders too.
Okay, everyone on it right now.
Okay, swap.
Can't lust, so GG.
Thanks, dragon.
I have...
We might make it. We really gotta have a good execute.
Oh, Lord.
Execute harder.
I'm trying.
It's not up yet.
Push, push, push.
Okay, one crit.
Crit harder! Crit! Yeah!
Range back out.
Oh
Clean up the
god.
ads.
You just barely made that too.
3 guards,
Yeah.
2 flying callers.
Oh no, now Dragon's actively trying to kill me with freaking volatile fire.
He love you. He just want a hug. Wow, I can't believe we
They have the
did that.
shield debuff. We can't hit them.
Well, I've got.
Okay, watch out, there's a
3
slag.
guards.
There's a
One
slag.
go.
Just making. Just
Take
inform.
the
Oh my god.
What the hell was that noise?
The fuck
okay,
was
one
that?
lost guard.
Okay.
Oh, that was glorious.
Okay, everybody on the boss. Pulling it back a little bit.
Can I just say, I'm really impressed with how well we've been doing whilst in TeamSpeak.
We've gotten good.
Gonna jinx it. Gonna
Shut
jinx
up.
it.
I wasn't even saying.
Huh?
I wasn't
Well, I
even...
think it's
Yeah,
like,
it's already
keeps
been
the
said.
pressure off a little bit or something.
Here, I'll knock on
Poggers,
my,
please move towards the rest of the range.
my fake
There we go.
fake wood. That sounded bad.
Take the boss.
I'll
Oh,
take your fake wood any day.
Yeah, you
oh
will.
boy.
Yeah, buddy.
Don't like this.
Move, Joel.
Be uncomfortable.
Move forward.
If only we had like an ability that would increase everyone's haste by a large percent.
Huh.
That we could use at a,
I think I know what you're talking about.
Whatever
Can't,
can
can't
that be?
quite get it though.
Move back.
something that would sort of, almost like it would warp the fabric of time itself. You know? Just-
Oh boy.
Some ranges way. Hey man, I would be
No,
okay.
kids,
I've
what
got my
you
own
doing?
little.
Get
haste.
Bella.
Ball sacks, who the hell was way up there?
Everybody
Got it.
focus.
It's alright. We still got like plenty of room for this, so
Just blame
Oh,
dragon.
this is why you
matter that
died.
everyone
Back.
fails.
Hello was dead. Yes. Yeah, let's...
Yeah, and then I can come join you for Blackhand.
No res is available.
We're not doing black.
We're not doing blackhand.
Rally's up.
It's almost execute
the bot.
phase.
Tis.
Back up, Joel.
Moving.
Things are lining up.
I've been executing this whole time.
You just cheat.
Lol.
Use Alstone. Mitigation cooldowns if you've
So
got
what are
it.
you gonna do when you run out of space?
Die.
You die.
Yeah. I'm
Well,
trying to hang
sounds
out right
exciting.
over here.
We
I
got
can't
this.
really heal anybody, but I'm
Hero
trying.
Don't
Jenkins.
say we got this.
Push,
You'll
push,
jinx
push.
it.
No, you don't got it.
I
all
dropped a
gonna
bubble.
die.
I think it's not really useful.
There's a spirit link. That's always nice.
Everything on the boss, 1%.
Man, that really help.
Nice.
Oh man, that's so fucking satisfying. Nerd screams. Nerd screams.
So you guys are doing Black Hat tomorrow, right? Yeah. Okay, sounds good.
Thank you, got
Oh,
Kill
you're
it.
And I topped it.
I'm pretty
Bam.
sure by the end I was making like a constipated
Hey,
face.
I'm just gonna
trying
point
to
this
heal.
out. I'm just gonna point this out. Both Stealth and I
right.
thought
Oh,
that
I won
we
something.
weren't gonna get this.
Oh, we've got
what's
another
this?
one. There's
Oh,
two, so it's
helm.
one for each of you.
Crossbow.
I finally got a spirit trinket.
Plate. Those are
Okay,
not
Good job,
upgrades.
Dead.
guys.
That is
We
not
only got one
upgrades.
piece of tier though.
Bella and
I'm gonna hop in event for a second.
Oh my god. Don't tell them that you've been in here. Don't tell them we are in
Yeah,
here.
whatever you
No,
do,
no, I won't.
this doesn't exist.
Oh, we definitely. Well,
Okay, what the hell's
one
that
of the
doing?
things.
Oh, that was so
Definitely on
oh,
consideration.
satisfying.
Okay, let's roll a weapon. Come on
Okay,
now.
let's.
I rolled
on
a
now.
fucking helm.
Hey, Zano just killed Blast Furnace.
Fucking
Yeah, I
roll.
was watching Ruler stream.
Ah. Okay, let's start with the tier list. So, first priority is anybody with that
Well,
complete
fuck you
force
too.
set?
You interrupted loot rolls. I mean,
Or two.
can't
Oh,
blame
come
him there.
on, I just wanted
Okay.
to.
Hearing no.
He's got to do
so,
his raid leader thing.
I'd like to give it to somebody who could use that because they could equip something better. I'm going to roll because
Everyone?
that would allow me to equip a mythic piece. But anybody who's in the similar situation is interested in those tier legs, throw down a roll.